So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to make real money by playing the game Arrow Out here on Swagbucks. So once Swagbucks is opened up and the app's opened up, go to the bottom left and press on the games icon and then press on the turquoise get started button. It's then going to redirect you to the game screen right here, where under most popular right here at the top, go ahead and select that and then scroll down to where it says A to Z. Once you're on this page right here, because we're looking for the game Arrow Out, it's going to be right here, the first option for me. Earn up to 8,178 Swagbucks, and how you guys can exactly do that is by pressing on it and basically getting the, pressing get now, download the app. Once you guys are down here, the more levels you complete, the more Swagbucks you will earn. So if you were to go to level 100, for example, that'll get you 500 Swagbucks. And basically, you're going to get rewarded for completing the game. And if all goes well and you have a lot of Swagbucks accumulated, you can then cash those in for money or gift cards. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how to make real money by playing Arrow Out here on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.